Look out! Now you just had a wreck. Look out! Break glass, break glass, break glass. Get out the car! Get out! Get out! Tires are flat. Move!
What started as a standard reckless driving call in a quiet Georgia town instantly devolved into a high-stakes standoff, putting multiple lives, including an innocent child, in extreme danger. On July 15th, Byron Police received frantic calls about an Infiniti SUV veering into oncoming traffic on Highway 42. When the vehicle was blocked by alert citizens at a red light, officers moved in. But the driver, 24-year-old Sierra Hibbert, refused to cooperate. Watch closely as she suddenly hits reverse, slamming into a civilian vehicle before plowing forward directly into a police cruiser, nearly crushing a bystander.
Stay here? Yeah.
In a desperate bid to escape, she repeatedly rams 3 separate police vehicles, sending thick plumes of white smoke billowing from her shredded tires. From a tactical standpoint, officers are forced to make a split-second decision to completely box her vehicle in, eliminating any further path of destruction.
Go!
Despite officers deploying stop sticks, Hibbert aggressively guns the engine and tears away, sparking a localized pursuit. Law enforcement immediately recognized that they weren't dealing with a typical eluding suspect. The driver's actions were becoming increasingly hostile and unpredictable. Trapped at a secondary intersection on Highway 49, Hibbert refuses to give up.
Didn't want to do that.
With the vehicle immobilized, the situation boils over. Furious citizens and officers converge on the SUV. When Hibbert ignores repeated commands to open the door, Captain Hunter uses a baton to shatter the driver's side window. Pay close attention to the sheer chaos as Hibbert continues to loudly claim she did nothing wrong, completely oblivious to the trail of mangled steel behind her.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I did not, sir.
Alex, switch back to me.
Sir, stop! Sir! I didn't do it! Stop! You have... No! Why have you done... Stop! Stop! I didn't do it!
It won't fit. It won't fit. Get it. Make it fit.
But the true shock comes moments later. As officers wrestle a resisting Hibbert into handcuffs, bystanders look into the back seat and make a horrifying discovery. A small child was trapped inside the vehicle throughout the entire violent rampage. Thankfully, the child was unharmed. Sierra Hibbert was taken into custody and subsequently hit with 6 counts of aggravated assault.
How? You can't believe
You put her in my car. Yeah. Yeah, no, we're good, thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.